Welcome back to the channel, episode 34. Okay, so what I'm starting to do today, I'm already starting to get the car registered. I've got some of the documentation sorted out. I'll show you what I've got sorted out in terms of the documentation, what I've done so far and what I still need to do. But I thought I was to take it out for a bit of a run and see how it actually goes. So I've never driven this car other than really just a little bit sort of around here, not very far anyway. But I think I'll take it for a little bit more of a run. As I say, it's insured, so if I get stopped, yeah, I'll probably get a big fine, but not a criminal record. It's not completely legal yet, but yeah, we're getting there anyway. I'll show you what I've done so far. So as you can see, I've fitted the plates. Yeah. And most things are screwed back together. That's regarding the car. So the way the system works here in Luxembourg is you need to import the car, you've got to do a few things. First thing is obviously you've got to get it insured. I've got the insurance document here. It started the process which is called the immatricolazione here, and that's starting the registration process. Also, as you see, I've got some personal number plates there. They cost an extra €50, which is not bad, I think. And as long as the number plate's available, they'll let you have it. So that's the old UK registration document and the bill of sale I got from the dealer in Germany. These are stuff. That's the invoice I got to make the plates up. And I thought I should have the insurance document somewhere as well. Ah yeah, there it is. It's underneath there. Yeah, that's the insurance document. So it's insured and most things work, brakes working, it goes. So I'm going to take it for a little bit of a run, as I say. What I still need to do to register the car is I've got to physically take the car for one thing called aggregazione. I think it's basically to check that the type's still was the accepted type in its day and it's not been modified too much and all that kind of stuff. And then the dreaded one is of course the control technique, which is basically the MOT, where they check everything, emissions, brakes, you know, a standard European thing really, well, fairly standard anyway. So that's what I'm dreading the most, obviously. I've still got to change something. I've still got things to do, like for example, the horn isn't working. The washer wiper needs probably to be sorted out. Also the tyres need to be changed because although they've got plenty of tread on them, they're sort of cracked at the side a little bit, so I don't think that'll go down with the MOT. I do have new tyres yet, I just need to fit them. So yeah. So let me get out there and get on with it. So let's have a look and see what we've got. Oh, bollocks to you. So here we go. How do I describe it? Well, it's certainly no rocket ship, but it performs quite keenly, I would say. Steering's nice and light, very precise, I have to say. In terms of the steering, I think it's one of the best cars I've driven. Yeah, some nice roads around here in this part of the country. How to say it? How do I describe the car? It's, yeah, a few rattles and squeaks and stuff like that, but I guess for this Lotus British built, that kind of era, you'd expect that kind of thing. Bags of character, definitely. Let's expect that, I suppose. Yeah, what do you say? There's not a lot of wind noise, but there's quite a lot of road noise I'm hearing. But again, adds a bit of character. Bags of character, the car. And I absolutely adore driving it, of course. There you go. Brakes could be better, although they are a lot better than they were, obviously. Signs of bed in now, I think. So what I'll do is I'll go up now towards Beaufort. I'm in Reisdorf now, at the bottom of the hill towards where I live. But I have to say, I'm very pleased with the way it's running, and hopefully the guys at the MOT and the Agriazione, as they call it over here, won't give me too much problems. But I'm over revving there. The problem is with this car is that the pedals are very close together, and I've got what size 10 feet, so they do kind of sometimes you touch the accelerator when you're trying to brake. With the SC engine, it's operates much better at higher revs, whereas the standard model, the non-SC, I mean, that is arguably possibly a better car to drive. It's a more drivable car at lower revs in particular. See if I can get some video footage around here. Actually, there's some nice little bit of twisty roads and stuff like that. In there at the moment, so let's have a look. Let's see what he's doing. No, there is somebody in there. I won't bother setting up the camera there then. Yeah, road holding's pretty good, I have to say. I love the sound of that engine as well. On the clock. Maybe I'll just shut my gob a bit and let you enjoy the sound of the engine rather than my silly comments. Yeah, you get quite a few looks off people when you drive past and you're probably thinking, what the hell is that? Yeah. I don't know how much footage I managed to take, because I don't know when the camera was turning on and off, but I think I managed to get a little bit, but we'll see when I get home. Let me see, that's on. So just a few meters to go before home. So that concludes the video for today. I hope you liked my first real trip out in the Lotus. Yeah. Please like, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to the channel. It costs absolutely nothing. And yeah, I look forward to the next video. Thanks a lot, and cheerio.